finch. Finch is a loose term to describe one of the many hundreds of small passerine birds. The finch species most commonly kept as pets come from the Astrolopidae family of finches, like the zebra finch, golden finch, owl finch, and society finch. Finches are ideal for those wanting a pet bird, but not ready to take on the demands of a pet. They will be content housed in a large flight cage or aviary with other finches. A finch most likely will not be a cuddly companion, although some hand-raised finches, especially zebra finches, have been known to perch on a finger like a parrot. Native region natural habitat. The Astrolopidae finches, such as the zebra finch, guardian finch, owl finch, and society finch, are native to Australia. Camping. Finches need spacious housing, especially since they spend most, if not all, in their time inside their enclosure. These birds should remain fully flighted instead of having trimmed wing feathers. A horizontal cage is a must. Finches are flock animals and thrive when housed with other finches. Do not house a finch with a parrot, because a parrot can injure a finch. If you house pairs of finches together, be prepared for possible offspring, especially if the finches are providing a nest. And nesting materials. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more. Thank you for watching.